Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm cooking in the Ooni Koda 16 and I'm burning off some debris that I created. It was a bit of a disaster. I'll put a clip in here. Oh my hot oil, look at that. Oh my. Oh. It's taking a while to burn that disaster off, but I've kept the oven on for a while now to get that off. It's burnt well off the left side, less so on the right, and the other side is as bad because what happened, I did it twice. I'm so excited. I've just had a delivery. I just bought 20% off, and so I bought some groceries, and this is how they come in the box like this. So I'm going to open it now for you to see how the Ooni groceries arrive. Here we are. I've got some jalapeno, apple and tequila hot sauce. NDUJA arrived when I was starting to make a pizza, so it's super cool. I've got my dough behind me there ready to go, so I'm going to use one of these toppings now. Hot honey, JD's original hot honey. So this is from the UK side. I would love to get the groceries on the US side because they looked amazing as well. I've got some balsamic glaze. I've got the chipotle, pineapple and garlic. Another sauce, it's a hot honey and bourbon. Oh my gosh, can't wait to use these. Okay, so this is a refrigerated item. So it comes in like a bag inside the box with wool around it to keep it cool. I got some provolone, all my ingredients that I bought. This is not sponsored or anything. I got all this myself with 20% off on that sale. And my provolone. And I can't wait to use them. Will you stop it? What have you lost? I'm actually going to put one of these on my pizza now, and I don't know which one to use. Not that one. Not that one for today. Between these, and not that one because I'm not quite sure what to do with that. Which one? I'm going to use my hot sauce, jalapeno, apple and tequila. Oh my gosh. Better try it first in case. Ooh. Oh, what a kick. Love it. So I think that a lot of it has burnt off since I've been making my pizza, having delivery of all my lovely new condiments. I think it's looking a lot better. So anyway, let's get this pizza in. Just check for the wiggle test. Yep, all good, and I've got my peel ready. Let's do it. I'll put the flame up to high. I had it on low because the stone was so hot, and I wanted to reduce the temperature somewhat. Done. So here we go. Decoration. Ooh. Do you want some? Crust. This is a 24-hour room-proof only dough. I made it yesterday. Just put it in a warm room, the warmest room I've got. So it's not had any cold proof. All those sausages accumulating at the top there, look at them, all ready to fall off. I better eat them before they do. Base cooks okay, but let's try that lovely sauce. So when you eat it on its own, like straight from the bottle, I think it's really nice and it's got a kick to it. But when you've got on here on your pizza with your mozzarella, it sort of is absorbed into all the flavors, and so I can taste it, but I think I'd want to put a lot more on because I like having a hot sauce. I can taste it, it's lovely. So if you're a bit like, oh, I don't want much hot sauce, and that would be enough. But like me, if you're like me, you love hot sauce, I'd probably I'm gonna smother my next one in hot sauce because I love the flavour of that one. That is really, really nice. Jalapeno, apple, and tequila. And if I could get my hands on the American Ooni groceries, I will try. There's the base. These are chipolata sausages that I've chopped up into smaller pieces. Does it go with the sausage? Absolutely. That sauce, that jalapeno, apple, tequila, hot sauce, goes perfectly with the sausage. Love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe for more videos and to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.